Hi, today let me ask you a simple question. How many times today did you switch between different apps just to complete a single task? Maybe you open ChatGPT to write an email, then switched to Gmail to send it, open Canva to create a social media post, checked your calendar to book an appointment, then came back to GoHighLevel to update your CRM. It doesn't seem like a big problem at first. But every time you switch between apps, you lose time, break your focus, and slow down your business. Now imagine if you could manage your contacts, book appointments, write emails, generate marketing contents, and much more things without constantly jumping between different tools. That's exactly what Ask AI inside Go High Level is designed to help you to do. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what Ask AI is, where to find it, and 5 practical ways you can start using it today, even if you are a complete beginner. So now that you know why Ask AI is so useful, let's see where you can find it inside Go High Level. Depending on your account layout, you can access Ask AI in one of two places. You can either click on the Ask AI button in the right side corner on top like this, or you can open it from the left side sidebar like this Ask AI over here. So both options take you to the same Ask AI workspace. Then you're gonna click that Ask AI in the left sidebar. So this is the Ask AI workspace. At the first glance, it might look similar to ChatGPT because it uses a chat interface, but there is one major difference. Ask AI isn't just an AI chatbot. It's built directly into Go High Level and can help you work with your business data, your contacts, your appointments, your conversations, and many other supported features. Instead of clicking through different menus, you can simply tell Ask AI what you want to do in plain English. So before we start using Ask AI, let me quickly show you the interface. So here you can start a new conversation by clicking new chat, and then you can search your previous conversation by clicking the search button. And if you're not sure what to ask, Go High Level even provides ready-made templates to help you get started. By clicking these templates, you will be taken to this particular template section. You can use either one of these according to your needs. And once you are comfortable with the basics, using Ask AI becomes as simple as chatting with another person. Okay, now let's go back to new chat. So now that you've seen where Ask AI is and how the interface works, just and actually see Ask AI in action, I will show you 5 practical tasks that business owners use every single day. So every business needs to add new leads or customers. Normally, you would have to open the contact section, click add contact, fill out the form and save it. But with Ask AI, you can simply describe what you want. So now I'm going to copy paste the prompt I just created for this demo. So now here I've just mentioned add a new contact. Name is Sarah Johnson. Phone number 9876543210. The email address sarah@example.com, and then tag her as new lead. Now I'm going to click this arrow. So now you might notice this panel on the right side that says start slow in second. Don't worry, you don't need to read all of this. This is simply asking, figuring out how to complete your request, it analyzing your prompt, deciding which action to perform, and preparing everything before making any changes to your account. So once it's ready, Ask AI doesn't immediately make changes. Instead, it prepares a summary showing exactly what it's going to do. In this case, it's going to create a new contact with the details we provided. Before anything is actually created, Ask AI asks for your approval. This is the important because it gives you a chance to review the information and make sure everything correct before the action is performed. So once I click yes to create contact, Ask AI complete the task and create the contact inside my CRM. As you can able to see, it just created the task we just given to it. The contact is live in your CRM and tagged as new lead, and whatever changes we need, we can able to change it by chatting with this particular chatbot. So that's how simple it is. Instead of navigating through multiple menus and filling out forms manually, you simply describe what you want in simple plain English, give you the information and approve the action. Now let's look at the another task that every service-based business performs every single day, that is going to be booking an appointment. Normally you would have to open the calendar, find the correct date and time, create a new appointment, select the contact and then save it. With Ask AI, you can simply describe what you want. So I'm just going to copy and paste the prompt I just created. In this example, I am asking Ask AI to book an appointment for Sarah Johnson this Friday at 3 p.m. for a free consultation. So I'm just going to give enter. So just like before, Ask AI analyze the request, understands the detail and prepares the appointment before making any changes. So it's asking which calendar should the appointment be looked on. As we have created, so inside my Go High Level account, I just created 3 calendars. So I'm just go with dental consultation and then submit it. So instead of creating the appointment immediately, Ask AI shows the summary of the appointment details. So you can review everything before confirming. And once everything looks correct, like contact name, calendar, date, time, everything is correct, then you just want to click yes, book an appointment. So, and that's it. The appointment is now scheduled, like contact, name, calendar. So again, no need to manually navigate through different menus. Just describe what you want, review the details, and let Ask AI handle the rest. So far, creating contacts and booking appointments are great example of Ask AI taking action. But Ask AI can also help you quickly understand what's happening in your business. Instead of opening multiple reports and dashboards, you can simply ask for a summary. So now I'm just going to copy paste the prompt for this particular task to perform. So in this prompt, I just mentioned, show me a summary of my business performance this month, contacts, appointment, and revenue. So I'm just going to click enter. So just like before, Ask AI is analyzing my request and gathering a relevant information from my GoHighLevel account. As you can see, Ask AI has summarized the important business information in just a few seconds. Instead of manually checking different reports, everything is presented in one easy to read summary. So this is especially useful for business owners who want a quick overview of how their business is performing without navigating through multiple dashboards. So now let's look at another everyday business task that is going to be communicating with your customers. Instead of writing every message manually, let's see how Ask AI can help us send a confirmation message. So before we move on to the next demonstration, if you would like to follow along with everything I'm showing in this video, you can start a 14-day free trial of GoHighLevel using the link in the description below. If you decide to use my link, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now let's continue. So following up with customers is one of the most important parts of any business. Instead of typing every message manually, let's ask AI to prepare and send confirmation message. So I'm just going to copy paste the prompt for this particular task to perform. So in this prompt, I just mentioned, send Sarah Johnson an SMS. Hi Sarah, just confirming your consultation is booked for Friday at 3 p.m. See you there. So I'm just going to click enter. So as you can able to see, just like the previous demonstrations, Ask AI understands my request and prepares the action before making any changes. So notice that Ask AI shows me exactly what message will be sent. This gives me an opportunity to review everything before confirming. So like phone number, message, channel, and once I'm happy with the message, I simply approve it by clicking yes, send SMS. And that's it. A task that normally takes several steps can now be completed with a simple conversation. So far, we have seen Ask AI create contacts, book appointment, give business summaries, and help with customer communication. But that's not all. Ask AI can also help you create professional marketing and business content in just a few seconds. Let's look at a simple example. Now I'm going to copy paste the prompt to make this action work. So in this prompt, I clearly mentioned, write a professional follow-up email for a client who filled out my inquiry form 3 days ago but hasn't responded. So I'm just going to click enter. So as you can see, Ask AI has created a clear professional follow-up email in just a few seconds. You can use as it is or edit it better match your business or brand voice before sending it. So this can save a significant amount of time, especially if you're writing a similar emails every single day. So we are now covered 5 practical ways you can start using Ask AI today, but these are only the basics. So as you can see on the screen, Ask AI goes far beyond creating contacts and booking appointments. It can help you build AI voice assistants, automate workflows, write blog content, generate AI images, manage your knowledge base, respond to customer reviews, create emails, add SMS campaigns, and even assist with payments and invoices. And also, each of these features deserves its own dedicated tutorials. So in the coming videos, we will explore them one by one with step-by-step practical examples. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out the upcoming GoHighLevel tutorials. And if you would like to try GoHighLevel yourself, you would get started with a 14-day free trial using the link in the description below. If you decide to continue after the trial, using my link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.